if you stop by because you're curious about the new Ipsy X Glam Bag X Plus X. Let's get a little boom boom going here. What the hell is this called? Hi everyone, YGO Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. YGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you are curious about the new Ipsy Glam Bag X, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so it's finally here. $55 worth of fingers crossed goodness, skincare and makeup. Alright, so I have been seeing a lot of people saying, oh my god, it's so good, it's so good. All I remember is when I was making my selections, I wasn't too impressed with what I got to choose from. So fingers crossed the rest of the box makes up for that. Everyone seems to be digging this box. I have not watched any spoilers. I don't like doing that. I like when I unbox it to be real, authentic reaction. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know sometimes Ipsy can make me a little cranky. So let's hope and pray this box is good. Alright, let's dig in and see what the first item is. The corner of my eye, interesting. It looks like a newspaper. Is this their version of doing a pamphlet? Are there prices? That would be exciting. I'm trying not to look at the items, but I'm not seeing any price tags. Yes, there are prices. Okay. That makes me happy. And this is more along the lines of a FabFitFun type of a pamphlet. Alright, I'm rambling. I'm just going to grab the first item. Ooh, I saw the word Serum. What is this? Private Doctor Define Minus Serum. Formulated to minimize lines and create definition. Well, if you are new here, you will soon learn that I love me a good serum. Ooh, this is very sheeshy looking. Now I'm a little more excited. Interesting. It's like a gel serum. Oh, it reminds me of... You know what it reminds me of? And I can smell the alcohol in there. Reminds me of this. Tomato serum. Same consistency. Here, let's do a side by side. Alright, on to the next item. I actually recognize this packaging. This is from Complex Culture, and this is a Sonic T-Bar facial massager. I want to say this was something you could select from, and I didn't select it, yet I still received it. Lucky me. I'm a lazy girl. I will not be using whatever this is. It'd be cool if it was a razor I could shave. I don't even want to muck it up. Alright, well, comment down below if you enjoy tools such as this. To me, the best tool are these. Alright, next item. Alright, what is this and why is the box already open? Okay, this is from About Face, and it is a matte paint lip color. tiny little doe foot. Ooh, it's a very pretty mauve color. All right, that's nice. Oh, interesting. It seems to have like a citrus scent. I was not expecting that. I was thinking either nothing or like vanilla or cake smell. All right, that's lovely. Okay, next item. All right, this is from Patrick Ta, and it is a Monochrome Moment Blush. I think I picked this, but I can't remember. And I also can't get it out of the box. There we go. Ooh, I'm gonna blind you. Very shishi packaging. Oh, there's a mirror. And his initials are engraved. Okay. That is lovely. A little peachier than... No, that should be good. Let's watch it. Ooh, very soft. That is lovely. All right, next item we have, it's either called Queen or from Queen. It's a beauty blender. I think I did select this. I have a ton of beauty blenders that I recently got from a Shop Miss A haul, but there wasn't anything else I really liked, and I think I thought this was the actual original beauty blender, and I wanted to kind of do a comparison. All right, next item. This is from YENSA, and it's Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Eye Cream. I am pretty certain that I selected this. It does have a scent. This feels a little thicker than I normally like to put under my eyes, but we will give it a go. Sometimes I get those little milia, so I gotta be careful that not too thick of a cream gets near my eyes. All right, next item. What is this? Pat McGrath Fetisheye Mascara. Oh. I'm not even going to take it out of the package because I don't want to ruin it. This will go in a future giveaway. I only wear waterproof mascara. This is a very shishi brand. I've never tried anything from Pat McGrath. I would love to try something from Pat McGrath. But I have very watery eyes, and it would be a waste to put this on because like I would blink twice and just look like a raccoon. So some lucky viewer is going to get a Pat McGrath mascara. All right. Last item is a palette from Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold palette Remastered. Whoa, these are quite lovely. Is it just me, or does it look like there's like a divot or fingerprints there? Hold on. Maybe that's just how it's settled. That is interesting. How it's not flat and smooth. Oh. Okay. This has 18 pans, and 9 of them seem to be shimmer, and the other are matte. Okay, so what are my thoughts on this box? I'm gonna get so many hate comments. I'm a little underwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I'm just not as excited about this Huda Beauty palette as others would be. Okay, let's recap what we got. So we got a Complex Culture little face massaging tool. Not my cup of tea, and I think it's overpriced at $58. We got a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This will be put in my 500 subscriber giveaway because it's right around the corner. That should be exciting. All right, we got from Patrick Ta a blush called She's Adorable. Thank you. I know I am. We got from Pat McGrath a mascara that I'm super bummed I won't be able to try. That will also be set aside in that giveaway. From a brand I'm not familiar with, we got this liquid lipstick, About Face, so I'm excited to try that. From YENSA, we got a nice eye cream. And from Private Doctor, we got Define Minus Serum. This packaging is very lovely. And then we got the Queen Beauty Blender. All right, that's a lot of stuff. I'm pretty sure when I tally up all of the items on the screen here, it's going to be a lot more than the $55 I paid. Let me know your comments. Do you think it was a good box? Honestly, I think for the $55, it's a fantastic box. Am I personally super floored and wowed? Not as much as probably the hate mail's gonna send to me. Mainly it's because there's several things in here that I won't be using. This is just my own. I only wear waterproof because my eyes water. So I'm super bummed I don't get to use or try that product. Not into face massaging. That one's a little, could have done without. This Huda palette is very lovely. A little more adventurous than I would care for, but it will be in that giveaway. Eye cream, always good. Serum, always good. Who can't use a beauty blender? This lip product looks promising, as does the blush. So, yeah, I'd say overall, pretty good. Now, I think I'm going to go another one at $55 and see what that box is like. Yeah, it's good. I'm just tired. It's been a long week. Leave me your comments. Let me know what you thought of the box. Are all the boxes the same? Well, I guess we got to pick, but I don't know how many variations this box will have. Now that I'm done filming, I'm going to watch a bunch of unboxing videos. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Click the thumbs up and the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Oh, and one of my viewers told me she hadn't been getting notifications, so I know YouTube sometimes messes up. So if you haven't seen posting from me, I post 2 to 3 videos a week, so redo your bell notification. There we go. All right, thanks everyone.